Greetings, it's Bruce Phares here with Windermere Real Estate in Seattle. It's the 31st of March. It's Tuesday. We're going to take a look back at Monday, a little bit into the last week. We are about day 4 or 5, actually day 5, I think, of the shelter-in-place request here in the state. Here are our pendings in yellow and our green actives for the slice of market that we watch for our market watch. Dow just did a little bit of a drop and then kind of rallied and then a little bit of drop again. Rates are at 3.75. They bounced around yesterday. They continue to bounce up and down by about a quarter of a point on a daily basis. Let's go ahead and take a look at the stats, however. We're going to look at newly actives, 6-day off markets, and pending inspections, and a little bit on the pendings. We're going to kind of switch up what we used to do. We used to focus a lot on what was the relationship between the 6-day off markets and newly actives, and that would give us an idea of how fast the market was moving. But that's obviously out of the pin at this point. It's all gone. So now we're going to look at the daily newly actives and kind of track that, and then also track the pendings. So as expected, Monday after the weekend, we ended up with a little bit more coming back on market. Interestingly, that people are listing properties right now with the limited amount of showings that are taking place due to the shelter in place. But nonetheless, 10 new listings popped up on market yesterday. In this grouping we're looking at, and we had a surge 35 and 34 right before Thursday, which was the day that first day that we were supposed to stop going out. Here's the relationship then, which is quite different than what it has been before. We have one property that went into pending inspection status yesterday in relationship to 10 that came on market, and we had 0 for the first time this year. We had 0 properties go into 6-day off market pending status. So therefore, no properties sold that have been on market for 6 days or less. Only one property went into pending inspection status. And for the 4 that went pending yesterday, very likely they were out of this pool that was already on in the total. So really, we have basically a 10-to-1 ratio as of yesterday, which I'm going to second guess, not predict, but it's just second guess that we're going to be headed up with our total numbers in terms of the total pool of newly actives. I won't waste much time over here because things are basically getting skewed. That's what the bright blue indicates. 3.75% interest rates as of this point today, midday. And that's about it. It was a short presentation, and we'll probably be doing short ones from this point on out until we start seeing some things change. Take care, be healthy, be well, and be safe.